me, I do have a sore throat, but we're still doing this voiceover. So I'm going to make sure that basically like tell you guys what I use to achieve this look in the description box below. So if you want the exact tools that I used and lashes and whatnot, you can check it out there. So basically those were the lashes that I used. I also used tweezers and the glue from Kiss. I'm just gonna put the glue into the glue pocket right there, just so it's easier for me to dip the lashes in there. So here are my eyes, bare, and ooh, it just So here you see me applying the lash right above my lash line. So I just dip the glue into the lash, I blow on the lash, and I just apply it. And I just keep doing that throughout my entire eye. You want to make sure that when you put the lashes on, the glue isn't still wet, because then it won't stick properly. It's kind of like putting on strips. Like, you know, you have to wait for the glue to dry and like get tacky a little bit and then apply them. This is the same exact thing. And here I started off with the medium, and I'm spacing them out a little bit more just because I wanted a more 3D fluffy look. So I wanted to put other lashes in between to help me achieve that look. Alright, so this is what my eyelashes basically look like once I'm done with the first side, and here it is with both. This is just the medium lashes that I had shown from before, and now I'm going in with the longer lashes so I can, you know, get that like cat eye effect. And you're gonna see me fanning my lashes a lot because I want to make sure that they're actually dry and they don't like fall off as I blink. But yeah, so I'm just applying the longer versions onto the ends, you know, to get a little pop, you know, a little flare or whatever. And yeah, just kind of filling in the spaces. But for the longer lashes, I do focus more on the outer part of it, just so, like I said from before, it gives the cat eye effect. Okay, so here I am applying the third type of lash. This lash is more of like a fan look. It's not as put together as the other lashes. And when I use this type of lash, it kind of helps give that 3D effect that I prefer, you know, like even when I have my strip lashes. I like my lashes to have the 3D effect. I need to be popping. So here you can kind of see me, you know, just applying it in the spaces that I missed, you know, just to, like I said, give that fluffy look, because I want the fluffy look. Like, and that's it. And here you can see on the left side, I have the fans. On the right side, I don't. And you can definitely see the difference. It makes your lash set look more voluminous, which is something I'm very big on, because obviously if I wanted itty bitty lashes, I would have just done strips, you know? But this is the final result. It came out so good, guys. Like, so good. I loved it so much. Like, bad bitch can't talk to me, period.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.